Using curtains to partition your workplace. Part 1. A cost-effective solution or a waste of money. In today's fast-paced business world, creating a functional and productive workspace is essential for the success of any organization. With the rising demand for flexible office layouts and customization, curtains offer a high level of flexibility and customization compared to traditional walls or fixed partitions. They can be easily installed, repositioned, or removed as per the changing needs of your workplace. Whether you need to create separate work areas, meeting spaces, or temporary enclosures, curtains provide an adaptable solution. By adjusting the length, width, and color, you can create distinct zones without the need for major construction work or expensive installations. Don't forget to follow us on social media to learn more about cool tips to optimize your business productivity.